Hey, funny bunnies! Subscribe now!
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. It's Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Oh, hello, little ones. I'm Harry the bunny. It's a great day for music. Oh, look what I've got. A drum. I can make music with my drum. Bum, 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 bum. Listen to the music. The drum goes pum, pum, pum. I play the drum to the beat of the music. What should I play now? Oh, I know. I can clap, clap, clap with my hands. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Watch me clap my hands. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Watch me clap my hands. Clap, clap, clap. I love to clap my hands. Clap, clap, clap. I love to clap my hands. Clap, clap, clap. I love to clap my hands. Now you clap your hands. Let's clap. Clap, clap, clap. We love to clap our hands. Clap, clap, clap. We love to clap our hands. Clap, clap, clap. We love to clap our hands. Whee! I really do love clapping. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. Hello, everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. Oh, what is this? What is it? Is it a house? Is anyone home? No. Oh. You can climb up here. You sit here. And you go down here. What is it? Oh, it's a slide. Who can go down this slide? How about a duck? He climbs up here. comes a dog. He sits here. Go ahead, doggy. Whee! He's sliding. A duck, a dog, and me. A bunny. We love the slide. Say bye-bye, Harry the Bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. We're Harry and Larry. He's winning, I'm furry. We have our job to do. We've got just the pro for you. There's no job too big or small. Our pros can help you all. We're the handiest, funniest. Harry and Larry, I'm the handiest, funniest. Harry and Larry, we're Harry and Larry.
Harry and Larry, pros who help.
Wow! Look at it go! Vroom, vroom! Oh! Hi, funny bunnies! You're right on time. I was just playing with my toy cars. They're so much fun! Vroom! Vroom! Hey! Huh? Larry, be careful!
Larry ball! Larry ball!
You need to be more careful because I was driving my toy cars and you just stepped into the road. That's very, very dangerous.
Larry, careful! Larry, careful!
All right, Larry. If you promise to be careful, you can watch me play with my toy cars and then we'll play ball together.
Ooh!
Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Larry, that's dangerous. My car almost hit you. You promised to be more careful near the cars.
Larry ball! Larry ball!
Larry Ball? What are you trying to say? Do you want to go get your ball?
Larry ball! Larry ball!
But there are cars driving here. You have to be more careful when you cross the road.
Larry, careful! Larry, careful!
It looks like we have a problem. Larry needs help learning how to cross the street carefully. I wonder who could help. Oh, I know. Let's look in my dress-up and wonder box. I'm sure I can find a costume there of someone who could help Larry. I wonder what we can find here. What does this long rope do? Oh, it's a hose. Firefighters use them to put out fires. Can firefighters help Larry?
No firefighter! No firefighter!
That's right, Larry. Firefighters can teach us how to be careful with fire, not how to carefully cross the street. Wow! It's a microphone. I know. Singers use a microphone so that everyone can hear them singing beautifully. Could a singer help teach Larry how to cross the street?
Singer, no! Singer, no!
That's right, Larry. Singers sing.
Oh.
La 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 la.
Nice hat! I've seen this before. Let's go into the Dress Up and Wonder box to find out who wears it. Hey! Look at me. I'm a police officer. But what does a police officer do? Flash my badge. I'm here to help. Keep you safe, serve, and protect. In my uniform, I know right from wrong and every law. Hey! I work all day so you can play. I'll help you out in my own way. Need some help? A job to do? Just say the word, I'm here for you. Blow my whistle. Order, please. Police Officer Harry keeps the peace. Sirens on and flashlights out. Solving problems day and night. I work all day so you can play. I'll help you out in my own way. Need some help? A job to do? Just say the word, I'm here for you. I work all day so you can play. I'll help you out in my own way. Need some help? A job to do? Just say the word, I'm here for you. Police officer! I like whistles. Hey, that's just what Larry needs. I'll be a police officer and help Larry cross the street safely. Larry! I know how to help you be more careful when you cross the street.
Careful! Careful!
That's right. Because I am a police officer. Look at my whistle. A police officer uses it to stop cars and help you to cross the road safely on a crosswalk.
Larry's safe! Larry's safe!
That's right. Now you can cross the street and go to get your ball.
Ball! Ball! Thank you! Thank you!
Thank you, Police Officer Harry.
Your turn! Your turn!
Here I go. Oh. Hi, Funny Bunnies. Larry and I are playing with the ball. It's your turn, Larry.
1 point! 1 point!
No. You didn't get the ball in. You only get points when you get the ball in the basket.
Your turn! Your turn!
Yay! Okay. Here we go.
Ooh!
Yay! 1 point for Harry. It's your turn now, Larry.
1 point! 1 point!
Wait, what? You're supposed to throw it from here. You're not playing by the rules. That's not fair.
Rules? Rules?
Yeah, rules. Like knowing where you have to stand to make a throw, and how to count your points.
Rules! Rules!
Uh-oh. Larry does not know what rules are. I wonder who could help here. I know. I'll look in my dress-up and wonder box. Maybe we can find a costume for someone who could teach Larry how to play by the rules. Let's see what we have here. Ooh! Wow! What kind of person would wear this cool hat? Oh, right! A farmer! Would a farmer be the one to teach Larry how to play by the rules?
Farmer, no! Farmer, no!
Oh, yeah. A farmer rides a tractor and grows vegetables on a farm. Farmers do not teach about playing by the rules. Oh, it's a stethoscope. This is for a doctor. Hey, could a doctor help to teach Larry about rules?
No, doctor! No, doctor!
That's right. Doctors help us to stay healthy. I've seen this special glove before. I know. Let's go into the dress-up and wander box to see who uses it. Hey! Look at me. I'm a baseball player. But what does a baseball player do? My glove is a perfect fit. I'll catch any ball you hit. Check the scoreboard. Game is on. Gonna hit that big home run. I work all day so you can play. I'll help you out in my own way. Need some help? A job to do? Just say the word, I'm here for you. Pitching, catching, I'm your player. Swing that bat into the air. Hear the fans call out my name. See you all at my next game. I work all day so you can play. I'll help you out in my own way. Need some help? A job to do? Just say the word, I'm here for you. I work all day so you can play. I'll help you out in my own way. Need some help? A job to do? Just say the word, I'm here for you. Baseball player! A scoreboard! How cool! It will help Larry keep the right score and play by the rules. I'll be a baseball player and play with Larry. Larry!
Play ball! Play ball!
Look at me. I'm a baseball player. And I know what will help you learn to follow the rules. A scoreboard! That's how baseball players make sure they play by the rules and know how to count points. If you get a point, we'll add it on your side. And if I get a point, we'll add it to my side. You stand here and toss the ball from the line and try to get points.
Rules! Rules!
We follow the same rules and play fair. And now we players can play ball.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Ball players! Ball players! here! Thanks, Harry! Thanks, Harry!
Thanks, baseball player Harry.
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. Is Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest.
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Oh, hello, everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. Ooh. Mommy and Daddy put clean laundry on my bed. I love laundry. And look at all the socks, all lined up. I know. I can put one sock with another sock, just like it. That's making a match. Like this green sock with another green sock. We're sorting. Hey, let's play a sorting game. Oh, here is an orange sock. Aha! Is this a match? No. That's red. And this one is orange. Oh, there's an orange one. It's a match. But we still need a red one. Is this it? No, this one is yellow. Oh, here's another yellow one. It's a match. But we still need the red one. Red sock, where are you? Do you know where it is? Oh, what's this? Yes, we did it. All of the socks are matched. I love sorting. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.
Oh, hey there. I'm waiting for Larry. He went to bring us something cool to play with. Oh, there he is. Ooh.
Many buttons! Many buttons!
Wow. And what are we going to do with all these buttons, Larry?
Buttons! Buttons!
Do you know how many you have?
Many buttons! Many buttons!
Hey, maybe we can count the buttons together.
Count no! Count no!
Oh, you don't know how to count yet? Never mind. We'll find other things to do. Hey! A shapes puzzle. That's a great idea, Larry. Let's play.
Play!
Larry, can you tell me what shapes you know?
Shapes, no!
Oh, don't you know shapes? Then we can't play that either.
Story!
Yay! I love stories. Let's hear the story. Larry, can you read?
No read!
Looks like we have a problem here. Larry needs help learning the different shapes, counting, and reading. Hey! Let's check in my dress-up and wonder box. I'm sure there's a costume there of someone who could help Larry. What a weird-looking carrot. Oh, this isn't a carrot. So what is it? Oh, yeah! It's a paintbrush. Painters use them to paint. Can a painter help Larry?
No painter!
You're right, Larry. Painters paint. They can't help with numbers and shapes. What's this? It's a cool hat. Who gets to wear it? Oh, yeah! A police officer. Could a police officer help Larry?
Police officer, no!
That's right, Larry. Police officers keep us safe. Look at this book. I wonder if it can help. Let's go into the dress-up and wonder box and find out. Hey! Look at me. I'm a teacher. But what does a teacher do? In my classrooms, learning's great. Take a seat. Don't show up late. Now turn your calculators on. Do you know what's 10 plus 1? I work all day, show you the way. We learn, explore, and so much more. Need some help? A job to do? Just say the word, I'm here for you. When we read, I have a rule. Make the textbook fun and cool. All eyes on my chalk and board. Let's all learn a brand new word. I work all day, show you the way. We learn, explore, and so much more. Need some help? A job to do? Just say the word, I'm here for you. I work all day, show you the way. We learn, explore, and so much more. Need some help? A job to do? Just say the word, I'm here for you. Teacher! Oh! Writing on a board is a great way to teach things. Hey! That's just what Larry needs. I can be a teacher and teach Larry what he needs to know. Using this board and marker. Larry, I know who can teach you all about numbers, shapes, and letters.
Teach Larry!
That's right. I'm a teacher. and I can teach you many things. Let's start with some numbers. This is the number 1.
1.
I really am a good teacher. Now, let's try the number 2. It comes right after 1.
2.
Learning is so much fun, and so is teaching.
Thanks, Harry.
Thank you, Teacher Harry.
Oh, hello everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. Oh. What's this? Is it a hat? No. Vroom. 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 Is it a car? No. Oh. It's a horn. Yay! Did you hear that? Listen again. I can play this horn loudly or quietly. Let's play a loud sound. Wow, that was pretty loud. Now let's play a quiet sound. Did you like that? That time the horn was so quiet and soft. Loud. Quiet. Loud. Quiet. Loud. Quiet. I love making loud and quiet sounds. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunny.